Big up Crossy Stevie.
Crossy Stevie, you reach? Yes.
Fatana shoot up themselves and them something there. The pussy now. At the end of the day, who want to got much short? Remember, at the end of the day, Olivia same one did one cow and all of the things them. So at the end of the day, girl, if you don't want to say anything you don't want to say, remember me and the girl when I go hide and beat her on the bush. I said this not gossa, it gossa. Yeah, it gossa, but remember you did one the boy. And the boy eat so now. Live it so, hey girl, come off of this. Live look like you pretty. You ever yet to live without makeup? You ever yet to live without, hey, Chris Ford, come on now, where you want it. Come up a blood clot this. Stop boots up, pretty weird. Eh? Pretty weird. She the all one nation boss too, yes. Everything she want. Everything Olivia want another one pussy there. Dog, cat, rat, fucker, another stinking pussy there. They want to get up and argue with me. That more want to know who I call. That's how you go one and think about till him coming at the story. So just go and think about that, sissy. But me I tell you about the girls them. The girls them when I make no sense. The man, mama said the man now fuck Olivia. Olivia stop get fucked from she at 35. When Akeem disappear upon her and go turn woman and start self fuck with her and compete. So at the end of the day, nobody, Uncle Phoebe come back and request. Phoebe come suck on my big pussy. You know, come on this Phoebe dive through my hole and come through my mouth and me spit you out like a bad coal. Dirty Phoebe. You not get no ad pan this time. Don't out pussy Phoebe. Uncle Phoebe. You not get no ad pan this girl. So I send a block clot ad pan this. Ranking face Phoebe. Phoebe take out the weight name them in your blood clot mouth. Your mouth sour. You don't be a Yankee or fuck you. Nobody them now look for you. Nobody now fuck your Phoebe. Nobody now fuck your man use multiple choice for your pussy. If you get pick, you get pick. So uno could argue with me. And all if you do for self fuck Phoebe man now buy for me, you're too big. Your back too broad, it now got hold on the bed. Your back too now got hold on the bed, big back Phoebe. You want to get up and argue with girl. You see, could have sent the request 1,000 times thinking pussy Phoebe. You could have sent the first 1,000 times Phoebe. Phoebe come choking on my wall. Because spit you out like a cold dirty girl. You want to come argue with me. Phoebe, listen to me. The girls that need to know the difference with look good and when you actually look good. Phoebe, you can get a pass. You're the only girl I say wear shape with see-through clothes. Me see my friend Jada and do nobody. And Jada know the concept session for put on a cover up clothes. You're the only girl wear shape with see-through clothes, Phoebe. Phoebe, you're gonna do the surgery and it batch up your blood clot. You're afraid if you go put in two hip. Phoebe, you don't sound rich. You don't have care. And I have this. And I have that and I make the self-fuck girl. The self-fuck girl. A personal. The time you talk about the self-fuck girl, yeah, the man wear shape. The man wear shape under the clothes. Shape, you know I'm not at them on them live. Because the girls them block me and I can't go up and feed them live. So the girl like come. You hear what she say? Give her a chance? Say give her a chance. Say give her a chance. Say give her a chance. Phoebe, you can't say me a vomit, Phoebe. Because he's a walking cesspool. Phoebe is a walking cesspool. Uncle Phoebe, tell me if you want to add. Add her? My add her here we shall come with. Big man, send back the live. Big man, send back the request. Kevin Wallace, send back the request. Uncle, uncle, may I add her? It's say to add her. It's a come on the live. But uncle Wi-Fi not good. May I whip our uncle. Uncle, send back the request now. Uncle, send back the request. Come here, start calling from uncle. Every dance, me see me, I call it uncle. All right, uncle, send back the request. You know me, I answer. I'm like argue with her. I'm like argue with her. Big man Phoebe, send a proper request. I'm trying to add you, uncle, and the live is not adding you. Yeah, other she not come on. Me other she not come on. I'm gonna wait name. Me know me win them girl yeah. Me know me win them girl yeah. Phoebe them. Watch ya. Me I add you back again in Uncle Phoebe. This is the last time me I add your uncle. See, they say unable to join. Me I add you again. I'm add you from the comment. Wait. Wait there. Others meant to go live with Phoebe. Yes. Wait it say it other. When you see such it a load fish come up, but that man now come up. No man now come up, man, weapon her. So Phoebe is a man too. Phoebe, you're a big woman. And you make the self fuck girl have better internet from you. Myself fuck 7 days a week. And you thief 7 days a week too. Are you not buying a good internet in your house, girl? My answer the request how much time. Look, I accept it again. Watch ya. See them Mr. Send it again. I accept it again. May I add it on it? Now, let me try add her back on the live again. Wait. Let me try add the ugly big man, big back, ugly fucker, motherfucker, man. How are name there? Hey, girl, comment something, big man. Comment something so I can hang you. Comment something, uncle. I'm not going to them girl live there. Me, chat. If it's something was wrong with my Wi-Fi, it would have connect. It would have, my Wi-Fi would have broke out, stupid bitch. Phoebe, write something. Uncle, I know you go to school. Write something on the live, my girl. Someone can add you. All right, Ramot, add me. Hear that stinking pussy one here. Phoebe, when man fuck for multiple choice. But I add her. This me add her now. Yeah, see the guys when she say it alone for she come up, she's supposed to come up now. Wait. It's a adding her. It a show up on the page, she not come up yet. On the ear. My other see there. My other right here, so see do it. Your sister she add, it a show such a add. So I don't know why she not come up. You know Satuna Cross is big man, that's an add for add. Invite her. Invite you now. What she said? What you say, big pussy?
Talk your talk. Talk your
Talk no
talk.
girl. Talk no.
No. You must limit your way you say talk now. Come in and shout. Come in want ear where you say. I want your ear with me I say.
First
Where
of
you say
all,
lever.
girl.
Lever
First
dirty
of all, girl. All of
jailing.
the
Oi go.
complicated story where you come
Oi
with,
go.
it now make no sense.
Your foot
So talk when
stink.
you talk.
Your foot stink. You don't know nothing about me. You don't know no man will fuck me. Me a good as me a top girl in a real life drilling. You say me no look good. Drilling, remember you praise me. Remember you praise the blood clot big back girl, yeah?
Yeah.
I worry about my shaper. I'm supposed to wear shaper. I'm supposed to. Of course, I'm
You
my
probably.
own. That belongs to
All right.
me. What you
Yeah.
own, you don't own not jailing.
All right. Let me
Your
stop
mouth rah,
you.
rah, rah, rah,
Let me stop
rah.
you. Let
You
me stop you
eat
right
out
this
the
way.
whole of Kylie
All right.
pussy. And
Yeah.
Kylie say your mouth
First
stink. You suck a
first of
pussy. You
all, I
stink
call
up our
Kylie.
cocky.
Girl, I call Kylie and Kylie said she never said so. Let me tell you
You
this,
know you
first of
suck
all, Phoebe.
Kylie out. I
Phoebe,
go.
I could praise you. I could
Jailing,
praise
you
you,
praise
Phoebe.
me.
Phoebe, because he's a
Jailing,
big
you
man.
praise the
I'm gonna praise
dolly.
man. I'm gonna praise
Jailing, you
man when that woman
praise
close,
me.
Phoebe. So I could praise the
Jailing,
girl. I
you
could praise your
praise
Phoebe.
me.
Phoebe, you don't want to
You
be princess, I don't
praise
want
the
to be that, you
leading
know,
lady.
stink.
You
Uncle
praise me
Phoebe,
the
you
blood clot. Phoebe
stink.
smell good straight
Phoebe,
around the
nothing about
clock.
you. And this I come
You
to
know me
say,
a
I think
top
that
girl
come
in
from
a real
chump
life.
up
I
my
walk
blood.
with my
I think
filter.
that come from chump up my blood.
Jailing, I
I don't
walk with my
want nothing in a
filter.
farm. I want to sell pussy
Jailing,
and tail
I
like you.
walk with my blood clot
Remember,
filter. I'm an image
remember,
never appear for
I
me and a
want to
boy
sell
never judge me
pussy
out
and
of
do
blood
anything what I
clot.
want to do. So good, girl.
Out for
I do anything
suck.
what I want to
Man
do.
for suck pan. Out for
You
suck. And when
see?
Uda suck a
Your
big Uda
sister,
suck is
your
a
sister is
little
a big
Uda
careless
suck.
girl. Your sister
Is
is a
a
big
little
careless
Uda
girl.
blood
You're not
clot
getting no fuck
suck.
till you have a
Is a
dildo.
little Uda
You have a
suck. No look
dildo.
out to my mouth.
Uncle Phoebe.
No look out to my
No man now
mouth.
fuck you, so you have a
No look
dildo.
out to my mouth,
Phoebe, no man
Jalen. Behave
now fuck you, so you
yourself.
have a dildo.
Batty boy, Jalen, behave yourself.
First of all,
Lying.
Phoebe, remember say,
Lying.
Kevin Wallace,
You're
Kevin
so
Wallace,
cute to suck the order.
who that?
You're so cute to
That
suck the order.
is not me,
You're
girl.
so cute to
That's
suck
not
the
me.
order. Shame on you.
Get the video good.
Shame on you.
Get the video good, Phoebe.
Shame
Phoebe,
on
you couldn't trick
you.
me.
You're the order.
Where the Phoebe?
You don't look good to suck the order. You
Phoebe.
don't look good as something
Phoebe.
out, dirty girl. Dirty girl when I live nowhere.
Phoebe.
You cuss all of the girl and put you up. You take Kelly West, one which was your blood clot of.
First of all, Phoebe,
You
may I
teeth
beer from
Kelly West.
here? May I
You
beer
teeth.
from here?
You beer for your face.
This is
The
me,
video,
Phoebe.
the video on
This is
you.
me,
Remember your
Phoebe.
shave.
Stop this
Dirty girl,
fabricated
remember your
story,
shave.
Phoebe. Phoebe,
Dirty
remember
girl,
why
you
you want
sit
to fuck you out?
polite. No,
Remember
no,
why you
no,
fuck
no,
you out?
no.
You have
No,
no
no, no, no,
ambition.
no.
And then when you do with Yankee, and then with this Phoebe man creates, you know. Phoebe, you know, you have a
You
deal
suck on
though.
soda in a
Phoebe,
blood
you know,
clot,
you
Jelly.
have a deal
You
though.
suck on
No man
Jelly,
now
you're
fuck
not
you
coming here
know.
for eat them,
No
yeah.
man now fuck you
Jelly,
know.
you're not
You
coming
know
here
now
for
fuck
eat
what
them, yeah.
I put the
I am
deal
not
up, put
drink
it
half
on
my
dirty
juice them,
body
Jelly.
on the bed.
Jelly, they're
Look
not
on the
drink
deal
half
that
my juice
what you put
them.
on the bread them what you
Jelly, they're
eat.
not drink
Phoebe use
half my
a
juice
mess.
them.
Phoebe use a
Leave the girl let me
mess.
live in them blood clot house.
Take her off.
No, no,
Sit
no,
down,
no.
come on.
The wood where you suck me
Ah,
up. The cocky where you...
ah. Phoebe, all you come up here, sir. All you do. All you come up. All you do. Yes, Minister, thanks to tell me. Also, we are play truth and there in the house. So we are doing truth and there in the house. Marco, Tevin, everybody did dead here. So the order them are show now upon the video is that we are play truth and there and Jessica put on the dildo. Yeah, remember now. Remember. And Jessica put on the dildo. It's a dildo. It belongs to Katie. Katie, correct me if I'm blood clot wrong. Katie, correct me if I'm wrong. It was a dildo. Me never forgot now. And me need to just while remind me. Say, I eat. No, I need to just text me about that girl, kickers. So I just say me. I remember, I'm not fabricate his story like the girl. If it's me, I'm going to say it's me. My niece tell me say, the dildo challenge. Katie, come on the live and say if it wasn't your blood cut dildo. Tell him for this video, it's a dildo. I'm supposed to suck on a dildo, yeah. I'm supposed to suck on a blood clot dildo. Them are the dirty hood them are putting on my pussy. No, because I never did know the video because she turned away with the video. But my niece said to me, like I explained to you, my niece said to me, say, it's the video that what Katie did do. I can, I'm not tell lie. See, tell my niece text me, say, Auntie, are the dildo video? Are the dildo video, girl, look like me. I'm not walk and tell blood cut, like, I'm going to tell fabricated story. Remember, anything I may come with, I come with the logical proof. Auntie, it's the dildo. Okay? So Phoebe, listen to me. You just a sucker dildo in her mouth, so you could class me and bring me down. You see, everybody, it's the dildo. Yeah. Tell her for sure the video. First of all, girl. Hardly. Go back and show. Can people not see? Yeah, go on it. Go on it. So Phoebe, all you can bring me down, girl. He's a ridiculous Batman. This is one bitch you not gonna ever win. No matter how you try. Phoebe, see it here. If you did come and say me, watch here. Alright. If you did come and say me, I do this now. Phoebe, yeah. Phoebe, me not really have so good video. So the dildo. Katie, now your dildo me that suck. Since you want to be honest, over dildo it was. So girls, look at the end of the day. Listen to me, Phoebe. You couldn't do nothing to me. Make me feel some type of way or nothing like that. And so at the end of the day, Katie, all if you don't want to say your blood clot involved or whatever, you want to play hypocrite game. Girl, you know it was your deal though. You know it was your deal. So girl, at the end of the day, you can't class me about nothing. Me used to everything, me live life, been there, done that. Everything. So when I class about me, I come on a blood clot assault. Come on a blood clot assault, girls. Love me now, I don't wear nails. And Jessica have on a blood clot, dildo, Katie. All you want go, but Katie, me that, you see to me and your friend, and I don't want to talk, and Jessica have on a blood clot, dildo. And any girl can comment, just what did it. And so my tongue can't even brush my love. It spit and ass works well, bitch. So if you did try, Sky, you not talk about me, hungry. Man, I eat food no pussy. Man, I eat food no pussy. Girl, you don't play with me at the moment, you know. Stay down the lane. Stay down the lane, I will disqualify on a blood clot. Katie didn't have on the dildo. It was Katie dildo, and Katie went and wiped it. At the end of the day, I don't need to explain. If me a suck hood, me a suck hood, me a self up girl. Yeah. If me a suck hood, me a suck hood, me a self up girl. So at the end of the blood clot, something, I the wait name as the moderator. So at the end of the day, girl, if me a suck hood 365 times for the year, I don't want to believe say me a suck hood. At the end of the day, no, I never you do nothing for me. Me never yet beg, you know. I always have my money. I'm come down for the people that's my got hotel. My Uber from away in New Jersey. Man that know my damn pay my blood clot fee. I can show them my account receipt. So at the end of the day, the thousand things I want to say, now have nothing to do with me stinking pussy at the person as a moderator. It now have nothing. Wait. I'm add Tamoni as a moderator. Wait. Yeah, add two? No. Add you, so I forgot probably add back. Wait. Remove as manager. All right, Tamoni, me I put you as moderator. So, Katie, at the end of the day, if you want to come put your story of them something there or something, girl, I'm just a spare your life today. I'm just a spare your life today because I'm looking for a name. I'm a call to you. Wait. But it's not sure if I put you as moderator, Tamoni. Where the blood clot story I come circle over yesterday, please, with the story. Granted. The big deal. Katie, you know a blood clot deal, you depend on the deal, the biggie. It was a dear game with a play with everybody. They in the house. I don't want to call the child name because them DL. The girl them DL, so I don't want to call them name and everything like that. So that's why you clean up everybody. Yeah, me have to clean up them one time, Miss CEO, because they want to come run up on girl and Olivia. All Olivia go on. Me I go up on the internet and me go sit down one retirement home for go sit down our blood clot Ross in there. And whatsoever truth are there, no call them name. See that Katie tell you, a truth are there, girl. Me no need to tell lie. We are the truth are there. We are the truth are there. And Katie go for the blood clot dildo. And Jessica put on the dildo. And them say suck it. So the end of the day, girl, when I do I when I beat one on a girl, it have nothing to do with me. If you want to put it out over there, so it have nothing to do with me. Because Olivia need to go on retirement home. Phoebe need to put up on GoFundMe and make some money for go fix her back and go put her on one new shape because Phoebe broke like a buckle. Or it need to go to the doctor because she not stop shit old. And she need to make them take her off of the pill where she depend can be a good share shit. And I think her blood. Nick fat and shit. Nick need couple stitches and Nick need couple syphilis injection. Who else? Who else is on the waiting list? Girls who can never ever come for me. Yeah, it's a deal the girls at the end of the day. Anything one can do. So when Eric fit a shitting problem and stop shit order and stop passing what she having her pussy and Nick get her stitches and Eric Olivia got the arms. Olivia got the arms and Phoebe go do a GoFundMe. Must stop self fuck. Must not stop self fuck. When you give a big free fuck, you shit order. You know see what's the outcome of Eric? The free fuck lead to shit order. So what kind of free fuck could I give us? What kind of free fuck could I give us? And that's me auntie that I want to fuck out some batty hole or something. Me not that desperate. Me not that desperate, baby love. Eric is a girl with it on Instagram who put on a show like she have it. Eric, hey, all you when him too, hey, black girl when him too cute. Oliver look good after the surgery there. She did look good before. Other if you ever want fucking walking man nasa. Ugly and blood clot. Erica want shit out girl. Who come from 3 Mile. Well love wear the white Air Force them. The white Air Force them. And so 2 Mile, sorry, not 3 Mile, 2 Mile. Come suck on my pussy, Sasha. Or you ever want name. Come suck on my pussy. And suck on my friend pussy where they are too. Would not make no sense. You want to come chop through pussy and slide through mouth like a slide. So Sasha, I look like something, I look good with girl. Me I compete with girl. Them supposed to look better than me. I me teeth them and give them. I me teeth them and give them. Say them want look better than me. That I feed them business. Every girl look different in them own world. So Sasha, me and my friend I go open up on the bed and you slide through what ass and come through mouth and we spit you out like a coal. So good girl. Since you know what, I run bitch now come find out. Run bitch car. If you wanna go back live 2 o'clock in the morning tonight, me I go back live 2 o'clock. If you wanna go back 3 o'clock, me I go back 3 o'clock. Me not rest no. Me not go in a break. What me say? Me not go say Arcady and Tevin. I don't have a problem with them. When me and the girls them stop a bad face, me and them not have no problem. Then stinking Uncle Phoebe. I gotta get up on the pan. Who me argue with girl? I'm supposed to argue with them because I give them money. Any girl more argue, I argue with. Because I'm a parent in a blood clot house. So I take for argue with any girl. The jail and them said, Derek, Morgan and you, and I say, me and Derek Morgan can in the same house, same boat. But there's somewhere I lay down nice and comfortable. But there's somewhere I lay down nice and comfortable. Me and Derek could be in the same blood clot boat. But there's somewhere, same boat, a blood clot. Me not tell no girl for go over. Me not tell no girl for go over. Me not go over worries with no girl. So at the end of the day, me and Derek, I don't know Derek Morgan from nowhere. I'm gonna go class the big man. So tell Eric, stop shit order and think it's our blood. Tell Nick, get some stitches in her pussy and go take her syphilis shot. She need to wear pampas. And who else? Who else? Uncle Phoebe for go do and go for me. And what if any for go my retirement home? We reach my speaking box with them thinking pussy girl and have a great night. Have a great night. More push up. Some of them tell you something. You see, Olivia suck for my left body jaw. You see, Nick, more want him suck for my right body jaw. And you see, Eric, more want Eric suck out the middle of my pussy when she them are destruction. Them not make no sense. So tell all of them come bite one take the left, one take the right, and one suck in at the middle and me a shit in her mouth. And tell Phoebe me vomit up her face because Phoebe a multiple choice so fuck her for options. Nobody not like Phoebe. And the boy never yet say them come out come old Phoebe and because when them old Phoebe and them are things that Phoebe at the top end of the relationship. And the boy them no want that. So when them go out, them are gonna think say a Phoebe at the top end of the relationship. Which boy want to go to that girl and thinks at the top end of the relationship? Phoebe, come. Me and Kira never in the same category. Because no man now go with me. Them are confused with me and my man. You know, them are gonna think say you're the femme top. Yeah, them are gonna think say you're the femme top stinking Phoebe. First of all, Cali Brooks. First of all, I don't need to get a bed. I have a bed. I put up a receipt already. So I don't need to get a bed. 1, 2. If I need some sheets and Pinky, when I'm moving in the new house, I ask Pinky for some sheets. And I pay her for $30 a one. So at the end of the day, no worry about me and blood clot sheet. My back tough, but I sleep on the concrete. So I will more have white sheet. A clean skin girl can sleep on white sheet. Give the girls them from House of Evangelists who are full of AIDS. Or give the 2 ugly old man when if retire, we go sleep on a white sheet, then dirty up the whole of the white sheet